Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you the application on Bernoulli's principle. Bernoulli's principle states that when the velocity of a fluid increases, the pressure in the fluid decreases and vice versa. Now, the first application that we will show you is how can aeroplane fly. Well, the first experiment is what will happen when we blow between two tins. And lastly, what will happen when we suspend ping pong ball in water. Now, let's see how can airplane fly.
As a curved airfoil wing flies through the sky, it deflects air and alters the air pressure above and below it. As the plane flies forward, the curved upper part of the wing lowers the air pressure directly above it to move the airplane upward. The difference in air pressure between the upper and lower surface causes a big difference in airspeed. So, if our two air molecules separate at the front, the one going over the top arrives at the tail end of the wing much faster than the one going under the bottom.
Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you an experiment involving Bernoulli principle using a few simple materials. First, place the tins close to each other, leaving a gap in the middle. Second, take the straw and place it in front of the gap between the two tins. Now, all you have to do is blow.
Hello everyone! I'll be explaining how Bernoulli's principle applies in the experiment you just saw, which was blowing tins. Before we get started, let me remind you again what Bernoulli's principle is. Bernoulli's principle states that when the velocity of a fluid increases, the pressure in the fluid decreases and vice versa. Just to clarify, you may be wondering, if Bernoulli's principle talks about fluid, where was the fluid in the blowing tins experiment? The answer is air. Yes, that's right. A fluid is any substance that flows. Air is made of particles loosely held together in a gas form. It flows and takes the form of its container. Following that, air and other gases are fluids. Now, on to the explanation. As you saw in the video, when my friend blew between the cans moved towards each other. This happened because the pressure between the cans decreased. As she blew, the air between the cans was essentially cleared out, creating an area of low pressure. The higher pressure on the outside of the cans pushed the cans towards the area of lower pressure. That is why the cans moved towards each other. Now, on to the next experiment.
Now, let's see what will happen when we suspend ping pong ball in water. For this experiment, we will be needed a string, a ping pong ball or light and small ball, and also a running tap. Now let's watch this video first. For this experiment, we need to attach the string to the ball and suspend the ball to the water stream. As we can see, the ball remains in the stream of water even though we tilt the string away. So how did this happen? Let's see. The running water has a higher velocity and lower pressure, while the air surrounding it has a lower velocity and also higher pressure. So the higher pressure in the surrounding air keeps the ball in water. So the observation for this experiment will be, when the ball is hung in the stream of water, it remains in the water even as you tilt the string that is suspending it, as you can see in the video just now. This is because the ball is pushed back into the water by the higher pressure in the surrounding air. That's all from us. With that, we thank you.